Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best outdoor movie projector on the market right now, the WiMiUS P62. Packed with cutting-edge features like autofocus, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2, this projector promises to elevate your home cinema experience to a whole new level. Let's start with what sets the WiMiUS P62 apart. It boasts a native 1080p resolution with 600 ANSI lumens and a staggering 20,000 to 1 contrast ratio. Whether you're watching movies or playing games, the clarity and vibrant colors delivered by its advanced lens technology ensure an immersive viewing experience. One standout feature of the P62 is its innovative autofocus and 6D auto keystone correction. No more manual adjustments, simply power on the projector, and within seconds, it intelligently corrects the image to give you a perfectly aligned, sharp picture, even if the projector is moved. Being the first projector equipped with Wi-Fi 6, the P62 ensures smooth and stable streaming without delays or interruptions. Combined with Bluetooth 5.2, it allows for effortless connectivity to external speakers or devices, enhancing both audio and visual quality. With built-in 12W stereo speakers, the P62 not only delivers crisp audio but also doubles as a standalone Bluetooth speaker. Perfect for those who want rich sound without the hassle of external setups. Built with a fully sealed optical core, the P62 is dust-proof, ensuring long-lasting performance and minimizing maintenance. Its versatile connectivity options, including HDMI, USB, and AV ports, make it compatible with a wide range of devices like phones, PCs, and gaming consoles. In conclusion, the WiMiUS P62 is not just a projector, it's a complete home entertainment solution. Whether you're setting up a backyard movie night or transforming your living room into a cinema, its robust features and ease of use make it a standout choice. For those seeking unparalleled image quality, connectivity, and convenience, the WiMiUS P62 deserves serious consideration. That wraps up our review of the WiMiUS P62 projector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest tech products. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.